It's finally here. Oh, it's actually the last Traxxas Summit stock in my area. So let's unbox it. Things what I like about this truck is the T-lock system, which you can change the differential functions. There you are. Oh, it's upside down. Holy cow, I can't remember how big this thing is. It's bigger than my previous Summit. Well, I mean the tires. So what you got in the box is the remote control. I just put it here. And you got the manuals and Traxxas toolkit. And the truck itself. Look how big it is. Look at the body. So cool. This is a truck, as you can see. Let me show you what's there. We have 5 servos there, 2 steering servo and 3 another micro servos for the differentials and also the gear. First gear, the second gear. Look how big the original tires, so big, and it's so soft and squeezy. We need to remove these straps before we operate this thing. Yeah, there you go. Look at the suspension, look at the ground clearance, so cool. There you go. Look at the suspension, guys. Look at that ground clearance, guys. And the suspension is so soft. Oh, so smooth. Cool. Let's just put the body on so we can see the full appearance of this truck. Oh, so cool, guys. As I said before, guys, this summit is the last stock summit in my area. Well, I don't understand why Traxxas discontinued this product. I mean, I believe it's going to be difficult to find a brand new one in the future, and also the price is going to be higher. So yeah, I'm happy to have this brand new truck now on my hand. Yes, let's run this thing. I'm gonna run this truck on 2S LiPo battery, so it's 4S, and also I got the converter from the store, so I don't need to do the soldering on the Traxxas connectors on the truck. So I can just plug this battery here and plug it there. Before I run this truck, I actually have installed this lever on the steering wheel. So yeah, as you can see, I can control the truck with only one hand. Pretty cool. Let's run this truck. Transmitter on. The truck is ready. Oops. Ready to go. Let's bring it down to the grass. Ooh, slowly. Look at that, guys. Oh, nice and slow. Look at that. This truck is flexing. Slowly. Yeah. Yes, finally. I think going down is easy here, but let's try to go up. Nice and slow. Ooh, slowly. And yeah, so easy for this truck. Now let's see how well this truck in climbing rocks. Well, it's too easy. Let's try it here. Easy. The rock is quite steep here. Let's see how well this summit handle it. Oh, it just slipped, but still easy. Okay, this is the first gear of this truck, of the Traxxas Summit, and it's really slow. Let's put it on the second gear. It's pretty much faster now. I just control this truck only one hand, guys. Look at this. Just one hand. Now let's drive this truck on its natural habitat, the rocks. Okay, slow and easy. Yeah. It's so impressive this truck can drive easily on these rocks. Okay, slowly. Yeah. Yeah, we are here. Oh. Let me get inside first. Yeah. Okay. Okay, stop. Ooh. Oh, that's a big rock. Alright guys, so I like pretty much everything about this truck, so I'm happy. Thank you for watching. See you next time.